should you get a Karambit knife? Karambit, tomato, kind of thing. I get asked this every once in a while because I'm a knife junkie and I have a lot of friends that are knife junkies too. So this particular Karambit was actually given to me. Well, it wasn't given to me because I still paid several $100s for it. But a friend of mine who's a former Special Forces soldier for Israeli former Special Soldier, he designed it. He gave it to me at a friend and family discount, which like I said, still cost me $700. So is this a good knife? Should people get it? Should you carry it daily? I'm going to pull it out of here and see, it is certainly a pretty knife. There's no doubt about that. It looks good. It looks awesome. That is, of course, the force rule in protecting yourself is looking awesome and having your tactical beard. But for the average person, guess what? I know many people are going to hate me and everything, is I would not recommend a Karambit type of knife for most people. And that's because this is a knife you got to train in. This is a knife you got to get good at. And if you're not going to train in it, which I don't train in this, admittedly, I don't spend a lot of time in this. Yes, it's a great weapon. You could clearly defend yourself. You could clearly slice someone open very quickly. You could have it somewhere in your belt line. That way you could draw it quickly and be ready to go. But if you're not going to spend time training with this thing, just get a regular fixed blade knife that you can draw the same way and you can come out with. So even though I love how good this looks, even though it's great, if somebody says, okay, Jason, here's two knives. One is this traditional fixed blade knife, and I'll grab one that I like very much here. So if we've got a traditional type of fixed blade knife versus this, well, I'm gonna pick this 9 out of 10 times because 9 out of 10 people are not training with this thing, and I can still come out whether it is, I'm holding it in this grip, whether I'm holding it in reverse grip. So yes, I do like the Karambit for people that are gonna invest the time, but I realize most people are so busy these days, they've got a million things going on, they're not gonna go train in some martial arts studio, so stick with a fixed blade knife, and if you really wanna know knife secrets, click below. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and if you wanna know where I get this Karambit, you can ask me, but again, several $100.